Hello everybody. Want to build a WordPress website but don't know where to start. In the video I'll show you exactly what you need in 2026 to get started the right way. WordPress design and SEO course instructor Suru Shari. What is WordPress and CMS? Definition: WordPress is a CMS which stands for Content Management System. Two types of website: a static website. These are built using only coding. Dynamic website. These are built using a CMS like WordPress. The benefit: with a CMS you can easily manage your site and change your content without coding. I have to select WordPress org for start and download website. First, I wanna explain for you. WordPress. The dashboard. I have image ago. Important part pages, appreciate plugin and setting. Plugin, for example, Elementor, WooCommerce, theme in plugin, for example, plugin Elementor, and Elementor Pro for design website. It's very important, and WooCommerce. It's very important for shop for you and for store store you an theme popular hello elementor as Astra. I have image ago. I did it. They are themes. I had ago. The dashboard. This is the control center of your site. In future lesson, I will explain the most important part: plugin and themes, general setting, dashboard page, and Elementor Pro. Using ready-made demo is designing from a blank canvas. Dummy. What's dummy? Dummy Wordpress. That is domain name search. WordPress essential by a domain name. I had it ago. Company me and webhost. Me and webhost for domain and hosting and website hosting, and translate to English. Please watching to end part if you have a site for company and store and technician, and you will be programmers. Web design by WordPress. Translate to English. Checking. Translate English to English. What is that mean? It's your website address like com or org. Select hosting Linux cPanel. Recommendation: I suggest using Linux hosting. It is generally better and more stable for WordPress than other options. Translate English for you. Select part and translate English for you. domain and hosting. Domain. What is domain? It's your website address like com or org. Com, net, org, biz, info, com, and etc. Tip for a good domain. Choose an English name for better SEO. Do not use dots or special character. Keep it short, ideally under 10 to 12 characters. For example, org, mobile, city, so choose English name for better SEO. Keep it short, ideally under 10 to 12 characters. Branding. Your domain is your brand name, like Apple or McDonald's. It must be related to your business. For example, if you sell mobile phone, your name should reflect that. For example, important note, user recognize you by your domain. If you change it later, you will have to restart your entire website and SEO from scratch. Search in selected. I will do it in the next part video, of course. I have a mobile city ago. We have choose change domain, for example mobile, selected. Yes, I not have, that is check to continue. And I will do it in future in the next part video, of course. I wanna explain about SEO, search engine optimization. Why SEO? For example, mobile, translate English, best SEO for website. It has best SEO this website. Why SEO? SEO helps Google introduce your site to the world. It is responsible for 60% of your website's success. Upcoming lesson, I will teach you SEO step by step from beginner to advanced levels in the next part of this course. Okay, I love you. I like it. Please follow me. Please watching the end if you want to be programmer and design website by WordPress and SEO. Good luck. Please follow me.